All right, man. Here we are again, always with challenges, and that is mathematics for you. And we provide solution to problems. So if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification button so that YouTube can notify you whenever we drop wonderful videos like the one you're about to watch right now. Now we have a problem on triangles. The question says in the diagram, angle PXR is equals to 22 degree. Now let's take a look at our diagram so that we can figure out these values. Angle PXR, look at your P, look at your X, look at your arrow. So PXR 22 degree and angle XPQ, angle XPQ 58 degree and angle QPR, and angle PQR 41 degree. Calculate the obtuse angle QRX. QRX. What is the value of this angle? So we proceed. Here we take our solution. So we have here solution. Right. Now, in this diagram, all you need to do is to construct another line joining this part to this part, which is point X to point Q. So let's introduce that. Use broken lines. All right. Now that we have this, take a good look at this diagram now. You can see that we now have two triangles. A bigger triangle, which is XPQ, and a smaller triangle inside the bigger one, which is XRQ. So now that we have this, let's go to the sum of angle in a triangle. In our elementary mathematics, we were taught that the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So let's use our literary from here to prove that theorem. So from the bigger triangle, we can say considering triangle, the bigger one, XPQ. XPQ. This is going to give us angle XPQ. So I have here angle XPQ plus angle PQX, angle PQX plus this very one now, which is angle QXP. QXP equal to 180 degree. Bracket open. What is the reason? Sum of angles in a triangle. What is XPQ? XPQ is 58. So we have here 58 degree plus PQX. PQX. PQX is made up of 41 and B. So this will now give us 41 degree plus B. Then plus QXP. QXP. QSP is made up of 22 degree and A. So we have 22 degree plus A, all equal to 180 degree. All right, so let's label this equation 1. So from here, we proceed and look for the sum of angle inside the smaller triangle here. So this will now give us, we use our literal too. So X arrow Q, we have here X arrow Q, all right, plus arrow Q X, plus arrow Q X, plus Q X arrow, Q X arrow, all equal to 180 too, because this is a triangle too. Okay, so what is the reason for this? Here we have sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so we go ahead to bring out the values of this letter. What is x arrow q? X arrow q is capital letter arrow. So let's put in there capital letter arrow, angle arrow plus arrow qx. Arrow qx is b. So we put down here b plus qx arrow. Qx arrow is this angle A here. So we have here A all equal to 180 degree. Now let's go ahead and label this equation equation 2. Now take a look at equation 1 and equation 2. Here we are having 180. Here we are having 180 also. So we can put equation 2 into equation 1 or put equation 1 into equation 2. What does that mean? Whenever we see 180 degree, we can replace it with the whole of this in equation 1. All right. So from there, let's put here, put equation 2 into equation 1. So we write out our equation 1. Our equation 1 says 58. So I have here 58 degree plus 41 degree plus B plus 22 degree plus A all equal to equation 2 arrow degree plus B plus A. All right, very easy now. We are having B here, A here. We are having B here, A here. So what do? We collect like terms. So we now say collect like terms. So let's collect like terms. Now, collecting like terms, we move all the A and B on the right hand side to the left hand side. So if we do this will now give us 58 degree plus 41 degree. We also have 22 here, so plus 22 degree plus RB. Look at B here. B will cross to this side to give you minus B plus A here, A. Then this other A will cross over to meet this to give you minus A or equal to capital letter arrow, which is angle arrow. Now the thing is very simple now. So from here, plus B minus B will leave the system. Plus A minus A will also leave the system. So let's go ahead and add these figures together. So if we add this will give us 311. So we have 11 carry 1. Here we have 6, 11, then 12 plus the one you carry. This gives you 12 degree or equal to capital letter arrow, which is angle arrow. So rearrange it. This will now give us, therefore, angle arrow, which is Q arrow X, which is equal to Q arrow X is equal to 125 degree. And this is the value of the obtuse angle 121 degree QED. All right, so this is the solution to this triangle, to this problem. If you have a question with regards to this challenge, drop it in the comment section. I am a team. We are very good at replying your comment. And if you gain value from the teaching, please do not hesitate to give our videos a thumbs up. I will be there. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching to the end. God bless you.